Productive vacation for students. Hi everyone. Vacation time is finally here. But the question is how can we enjoy and still stay productive? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you a simple way to balance steady skincare and self growth without stress. Let's start with your steady routine. Morning time is the most powerful part of your day. Wake up early, drink a glass of water, and do a small workout or stretching. Even 15 minutes is enough to refresh your body and mind. After that, sit for steady. Your brain is fresh in the morning, so this is the best time to learn new topics. Study for 1 to 2 hours only, don't overdo it. Remember, don't just read, always write and practice. Now, coming to the afternoon. This is your chill plus growth time. You can watch useful video, learn editing, drawing or any new skill. But don't forget, spend at least 30 minutes revising what you studied. Now let's talk about reducing phone usage. We all waste time on reels, right? Try to limit your screen time. Instead of scrolling, use your phone to learn something useful. Now, daily goals. Don't set a big unrealistic goal. Just set a three small goals every day and complete them. Small wins every day, big success later. Now let's move to skincare. You don't need expensive product. Keep it simple and consistent. Morning, wash your face, apply moisturizer and never skip sunscreen. Night, wash your face again and apply moisturizer. Once or twice a week, you can use a simple face pack like Miltanimate. Also, drink more water and avoid touching your face too much.
Thank you for watching.